Today I'm installing my vent fan. I've already started, but I forgot to do an introduction, so there you have it. I'm excited.
She says she's leaving. She's got a feeling. She said there's something out there I gotta find, and I told her right now is the right time.
Well, anywhere here in this area is pretty dang flat.
Okay.
Want to pick it from below and drill up, or do you want to drill?
No, that's good. I think so.
You ready to drill a hole in your van?
So I don't get fiberglass everywhere, because it's already partially getting around, we're gonna tape this up on the inside, all taped up.
Okay, you ready to finish go drilling your hole?
Mm-hmm. Time to cut.
That easy.
Nice. And here's my hole.
And there's your hole.
Need to fix this.
And we're a little tight. There's a little nut right here. We'll get that separate.
Hole in my van. Hole has been drilled. And there's barely any mess. Half of that is from cat litter already. So because my roof is too thin, we're gonna make a wooden frame for this to drill down into. And we'll see how it goes.
No way.
Okay. We just drilled all these holes. So now we're clamping the sides. And we have this frame so we can drill into it. Put the fan down.
Yeah, I can get the whole screw.
I need to screw it in now. Whee!
Ooh, that feels good.
Oh!
Did it close itself?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Oh, it's opening. We did it! We've cut the final piece. Bum, bum.
Okay, what do you think? Wanna hold it up for me?